What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to go to the unveiling of the new 2024 Mustang down here in the town where I live. It's currently 101 outside right now. It's insanely hot, but we're gonna go to it. They're gonna have a little car show. I think they're gonna have some food as well, and then obviously unveil the car. So that's gonna be pretty cool. We're gonna go with Garrett and Josh, so we're gonna meet up with them. And then tomorrow morning we actually have Cars and Coffee, and then we might hit a few other car shows on the way home as well. So let's go ahead, gotta kind of wash this thing down, and then let's get going. What do you think?
Okay.
I think none of these will fit my car. So.
What does Apex think? Home one's at 10 when it's 110 degrees outside.
Well, it'll be 89, but...
Then there's one in Barnhart and Arnold. Taking your time, huh?
I'm in the trap every day. What? Stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now, I told her to late. My hook in the water, she liking my babe. Ain't saving a hoe, I don't wear a cape. You beef with me, don't think you ever safe. I hop in the foreign and drive like a race. We sipping the Henny, I don't need a chase. We dodging the feds, ain't catching no case. I stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now, I told her to late. My hook in the water, she liking my babe. Ain't saving a hoe, I don't wear a cape.
What? Well, looks like it's gonna rain. I guess we'll see what it turns into. We're here an hour early. There's like no one here yet. Jeez, Garrett's popping the hood.
Gotta show up the stock motor yet. That's another Ranger.
I keep feeling it.
Yep. 30 horsepower and about a little bit less than 23 pounds.
Oh, rain's about here. I can feel it. It's already showing on the cars.
Maybe 72 by orange.
right, sir. After you.
Right this one.
Well, it looks like it did some raining. We're leaving a little bit early. We've only been here for about 2 hours. We got here early. We're going to go ahead and hit another spot. It is Dailies and Donuts, so we're going to see what that looks like. Hopefully it's not raining too hard. You're here trying to meet... The last meet, Dailies and Donuts, was rained out, unfortunately, but we did stop by. That was hosted by Jack's Wax. We stopped by and got some products from them. Got from them are pretty nice. So if you're ever in the St. Louis area, the Arnold area, stop by and check them out. And that's going to be it for today's video, guys. If you're enjoying the videos like these, please let me know down in the comments. Hit the like button, subscribe. Let me know down in the comments. And as always, I will see you in the next one.